Got a vegan hater in the comments.
Bring it. Who's our vegan hater?
Murder in moderation. It's perfectly fine.
Murder in moderation. Are you loud, by the way?
I am loud.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Z-Dog Fake MD. Z-Dog causes cancer.
Yes, I do.
Their profile picture is a V that's a plant.
Is a V that's a plant?
It's for vegan.
Okay, so number one, I've had a lot of vegans tell me that the reason I'm bald is because of my diet. Okay, I'm going to tell you that's totally true. Since I was young, I've been raised on a 100% ho-ho-based diet. It's ho-hos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then a rectal ho-ho before I go to bed, just for that transrectal, trans fat absorption, and it made me go bald, and also be incredibly dope. So what other vegan haters do we have? I like haters.
There's only this one
Oh, that's
random
no
wacko.
fun. I'm going to disagree with that, Kristen. I'm going to say militant jihadist vegans who want to kill me are the worst.
Dylan Len is the name of the vegan who's in the comments, and he's trolling right now. You know,
He's trolling hard.
Let's read some of his comments.
It's always funny seeing obese people listening to people keeping them obese, so he's calling us fat.
Oh,
which
Dylan.
is nice.
That's adorable. Dylan Jackson. Oh, wait, so which is it? Dylan Jackson?
Dylan Len.
Dylan Len is the bad guy. We have
Not
herbivorous
necessarily
teeth.
a bad guy, he just has a different reality, Z. And now I'm a broccoli.
You're kale.
I'm kale. Listen to me. No, put my kale back.
I don't know what the hell
Listen
kale
to me,
is.
Dylan. I'm your people. Listen to Z-Dog. He's a learned doctor.
Dylan-
I'm Kale, your best friend.
Dylan only listens to kale. Anything that isn't kale is not a real living creature. And Dylan's so Dylan is a crackpot, says Crystal Keen. But let's read some of Dylan's comments. We have herbivorous teeth. Omnivorous canines are long and sharp. Even other herbivores have much larger canines than we do. So you cannot say that we have teeth designed for meat consumption. I don't know. These are pretty motherfucking sharp.
Yup.
I could literally eat a rabbit live and watch it squirm in my mouth while blood squirting everywhere.
Do you think that now I don't know the science behind this, but
I have a pet rabbit,
Have
by
you
the
heard the theory that
I'd still eat it.
that eating meat was the reason the human brain size doubled? over
That
50,000
was
years?
that's one of the theories. Is that
I don't know if that theory is correct or not.
Well, it was either eating meat or cooking food. It was one or the other. I forget which it was.
Cooking meat. Probably
Cooking
right.
meat. Like suddenly they were able to eat a lot more. They were able to store food, cook it later. They were able to increase caloric size because the brain uses a disproportionate amount of energy compared to every other organ in the body. And most
Right.
other animals don't use their brain as a huge source of energy suck, because it's not evolutionarily adaptaceous. Now, for us, we can, because we can get food, we can cook it, we can eat it, and maybe meat is a part of that, although I think the science on that is inconclusive, to say the least.
Wow, Z-Dog just destroyed my argument. Look how sharp my teeth are. That's what Dylan said.
Yeah, I
about
pretty
you.
much did, Dylan, because my teeth are sharp as fuck.
Suck it, nerd!
Suck it, nerd! Vegan nerd!
Someone's gonna take this out of context.
I know. It's going to be like,
Z.
Z-Dog just told his vegan to
Yeah.
suck it. It's all good.